Oh, this is how to repair a cam crank sensor on a 94 Miata. Go ahead and take the screws out, take note of the position of everything. This is the sensor that you're going to be replacing right here. Before you take one of the covers off, first test to see which one's bad. That will be coming up here in the video shortly on how to test. Find a power adapter that's a 12 volt battery adapter. Locate your ground, your 12 volt lead, and then you got your SGT and your SGC leads coming from the sensor. I was able to find a dongle from another 94 Miata, and I utilized that one to help hold all the wires and stuff. Connect your negative lead and your ground to the ground wire on the sensor. And then put your positive on the 12 volt, and then use your positive lead from your multimeter to check which sensor is good or bad. Your reading should have regularity in them for being correct. Now you want to take out the sensor. What I did was I used some soldering wick, and got some of the solder off, and heat and a screwdriver. I don't know if it was really that successful, but in the end I got the piece out. There was some gooey substance in there. I think it was a silicone. It was still kind of sticky, so I'm not sure if it was. Got the piece out. The green circuit board was still attached to the metal piece I needed, so I went ahead and got me a thin piece of metal and pried that off. You want the metal part that's surrounding that green circuit board, so make sure you keep that. And I bent the tabs over on the metal part, and also there's an L-shaped metal piece in there that you need too. So put that to the side. Here's a little explanation, a close-up view of it. So that part's going to go in there. This is what I ordered to replace the one that was in there. I got it from DigiKey. Down below, for more information, I'll have a link in there where you can go to order that. This is how it's orientated inside the sensor. Notice the indents on the side, and here's my soldering job that I eventually did. In the end, after everything was tested and it seemed like it was going to work, I put 100% silicone in there, so I kept it immobile. I tested it first though, and here's the proper readings that you should have, or similar readings you should have. Go ahead and attach the cover and use an appropriate adhesive. And let it dry, and then go ahead and put it all together. When you're putting it together, notice there's two wheels. One has a hole, one has a bump. Those need to align. And then also this wheel here has a flat spot on it that needs to align on the pin properly. You'll have two washers. One washer will fit over that whole pin, so make sure that's centered. Tighten the bolts up. Put your gaskets in. Screw that cover down and put it in and start it up.